You're gonna love the 2020 GMC Terrain. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy road trips more than ever before in this handsomely styled Terrain. Its comfortable, flexible interior offers all the amenities and space you need to make the journey relaxing. And you'll love its high safety scores too. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: lane departure warning, keyless entry, keyless start, 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection, heated front seat. Make the journey in comfort and style in this rugged-looking Terrain. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.